have a one-person show here at the Memorial Art Gallery, and I suggested the idea of taking one of my drawings and blowing it up kind of as you might do a cartoon, so that you have really just black and white and the lines, and then that could be painted in. There'll be several hands involved, and maybe some will paint out other people's work and paint in their own. And it's sort of a creative process, and it will evolve, and we'll see what's at the end. I'm a member of the Seneca Nation of Indians. I'm a member of the Heron Clan of the Seneca Nation. So I grew up in a community called Cattaraugus, which is a reservation community. I came to Rochester because of a Seneca historic site known as Ganondagan, and I've been the historic site manager for 36 years now. I guess I started showing my work when I was about 19 years old, and I've worked continuously from that time period till the present. And my work has gone through various styles and gone through various kinds of media. You know, I experienced a lot of foundational teaching, and so that gave me the ability to use a lot of different types of media. And then over the years, you know, you just kind of keep on inventing and keep on looking for ways to make something new and keep challenging yourself, and that's sort of the way the pieces in the show came about. My belief is that art is intended to help people see. Even abstract art heightens our ability to understand and to see visually things that we haven't focused on previously. That also, you know, can open up another channel in our heart and in our mind to understand something that we didn't previously fully grasp, or to realize something that they're pointing out to us.